Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to WEDGETAIL Ignitions Australia. This is the one of a series of training videos that I'm making for people to help them in installing the WEDGETAIL system in their particular model motorbike. Excuse me. This is an R75-6. The basic mounting system is the same for the /5, the /6 and the /7 motorbikes up to early 1979. From the later models, they don't have points. These bikes all have points. So because they have points, we have to install a very small, simple piece of harness equipment to make the system be able to run an electronic timing advance curve, and this is how we are going to do it. So in the kit that comes with you, I showed you in the early what's in the kit movie. This is what holds the module. It's not the only place it can go, but it's the simplest. It goes on to the bracket, goes on to the bolt that comes through from the tank bobbin. These tank bobbins on all this series bikes, they bolt through the frame to that bolt there. You simply remove the bolt and put the bracket in, facing with the long end of the bracket down and to the rear. Now, you will have to muck around with some of this wiring, just redirect it, tidy it up to get everything to fit. I recommend that you start by making an assessment of what's going to be in the way and get rid of all that first. Now this bike has got two small Lightnology coils or Silent Hectic or something like that on it, and that's no big deal because that allows us to, there's smaller these ones and we've got a bit more room to move. But onto the bottom of that L-shaped bracket you screw the module in this way. This has all been done live and unscripted, so if I'm a bit stumbly and a bit silly, well, you'll just have to bear with that because it's just me trying to get this to work. I'd rather give you a video than write out sheets and sheets of paper which people will never understand properly. So the module goes in like that. It goes in, when you put it in the bike, I'll put it down here so it's easier to see. This goes up onto the bit that hangs down from the frame underneath the tank bobbin. This screws through here. Pull it far back as you can with the plug facing forward. Right? Now there's enough room there, you can move these around because they've got lots of slots in them and you can get enough clearance to push that plug on. Right? That's how they go. The fact that these are brackets, you can bend them up and down a little bit to get clearance. For example, on some of the models where this is mounted on here, you might need to bend this bottom bit up slightly to make the angle of this go down slightly, because the harness, I'm just going to pause this for a second.